Alright, code hooks. Code hooks are on your car. Items that must not be hung on the hook. Vehicles with SRS curtain shield airbags. Do not hang a coat hanger or other hard or sharp objects on the hook if the SRS curtain shield airbags deploy. These items may become projectiles that cause death or serious injury. To prevent damage to code hook, do not place too much load on the code hook. Alright, and the code hook is up here, right there. That's the back passenger, and I think there might be one back there. I don't think it's a code hook, but that's something else. And then over here, there's one up there. So, and then these are the oh crap handles right here. Oh crap handle, and there's an oh crap handle over here. So that's. These are not to be confused with cargo hooks, which are in the back compartment area, and grocery bag hooks, which are on the side back here in the trunk area. But we'll get to those in another video maybe. And then you have the storage box without the third seats underneath, which is really cool. You can store all kind of stuff down there, which is awesome. It's like an extra trunk, lift the rear deck board, extra trunk. I got how-to written there. Extra trunk space. It's really cool because you can put everything under there and then put that top down, and it's like hidden. So it's like a hidden area. It's really cool. There's also one back here too, like towards the back of the seats, and I don't think I'll show you in this video, but I just wanted to bring that up because it's really excellent. You just watched a video from Matthumanpizza. I hope you thoroughly enjoyed it and had a good time watching it. I enjoyed making it. Making these videos for you guys over the years has brought me great joy and money. The views I get and the advertising it plays contributes to my livelihood, and it helps me. I did that on camera because it's fun, but it helps me, and it helps you too, because you discover my videos and how they help you. If they do, you may search, oh, my glove box, it fell off, how do I fix it? So you come up with how to install or how to remove a glove box, and my video comes up and you watch it, and it's a good time. Well, it's starting to rain, but anyway, I really hope you enjoy the video that I made, and you are watching this part, which I'm pretty much just killing time right now because I got to go to work, and so can't be too early. So I gotta kill about 5 minutes here, and so I really hope you had a great watching, viewing, and you hit play, and it, like, you clicked on the video and it played, and then maybe you paused it and looked at certain stuff, and then you let it play, and you skip through the video. I don't know, but I'm sure you were searching the video, because 98% of my views are from people that are searching. They're not subscribers, they're just people searching how to do a particular task on their vehicle, and they want to find out how to do it because they're in a crunch, or maybe it's entertainment, maybe they just want to watch something for fun. But so yeah, 1 2 3 4 5 spaces, nice. But yeah, 2 minutes and 30 seconds. We'll be leaving here. It takes a few minutes. I'm not gonna say how long it takes, but probably a few minutes to get to where I gotta be. But have a great day, and probably a few minutes. I mean, I feel like an hour, but a few minutes to get on the road, and then from there it's just music and looking around with my eyes, daydreaming. All right. Have a wonderful day. Code hooks are amazing. This is not a coat hook. This is an O crap handle, also known as the B handle. If you get scared, you grab this handle. Usually if you're like in a passenger and you're going real fast, for some reason you want to hold on to this because it'll keep you from flying forward, I guess, even though you have your seatbelt on. But yeah, coat hooks. Coat hooks are amazing. They're they're back there. There's two of them. Well, I don't know. I'll have to show you. I'll show you here. I'll actually get out. And they're really cool. I'm killing time here, as I always do. So my life is killing time until there's something to do. I guess you hurry up and wait, I guess you say. So this is the coat hook right here. You can hang a hook. You can hang a coat on it, and I'm going to demonstrate that right now. I'm going to hang a coat. You ready? Look at. See if I can. Here, let me show you how. This is how you do it. Look, you hang it on just like that, and it hangs. See? See how it just hangs there? That's how you hang it. See? Isn't that cool? It's not really that cool, but I think it's pretty cool. Anyway, so that's how you hang a coat hook. And it's a Toyota RAV4. I don't think I've showed you here. Hold on, we can do that. This is a Toyota RAV4, and that's where the coat hooks are. This is how you get into a car. I got a video on how to get into a car. So that's how you get into a car. And these jeans are pretty cool. They have a jean underneath the jean. There's a hole in this part of the jean, and then it's sewed in. Really cool. It's really extra. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this coat hook video. I kill a lot of time making videos, which is actually not killing time. That's actually being productive because it's video making, and you guys get to watch me talk about nothing, pretty much nothing. I got not really nothing. It's kind of vlogging. Got a lemonade here. That's all I do is eat fast food. I cook too. Fast food. I cook. Order fast food. Spicy chicken. Very good. The spicy chicken with the French fries, and you gotta have ketchup with your French fries, and pretty much, yeah. So the RAV4 is a manual. I got the manual. I showed you some of the manual. The manual is great. It's 2010 RAV4 owner's manual, and it's a good book for content to go through there and be like, oh, that's how you. So that's what that button means. That's what that button does. Because you have a car and you drive it, and you don't really use all the buttons. You don't. And sure, in the summertime you'll use the air conditioning. Here, let me switch over. In the summertime you'll use the air conditioning and up, down for the temperature, passenger temperature, I don't know. But, this is the one I use, temperature right here. And then I didn't even know there was a difference of temperature. Whatever. I learned something new about this car every day. Wintertime, defrosting the rear back there, obviously, and the front up there. And then if your feet are stinking, crank it up on a high heat and just heat those feet away. And then turn the car on right here. Security light, passenger airbag. If you feel like turning their airbag off, if you feel like being, I don't know, sadistic or something, I don't know. But up here's your radio. I don't have XM, but AM, whatever. FM radio, your disc, your CDs. Oh, I'm getting tired just talking about that. Lately, I've been using my Bluetooth to call people right here. So, my phone automatically connects up to Bluetooth, and which is really cool. And then I never use this over here. It's the volume up and down, and then I don't know what that is. I don't care. Cruise control, maybe. But my finger's in the way. There we go. Glove box. Hazard lights. Sometimes you use those. It's very rarely. Oh, man. Oh. COVID-19. These are the COVID days. They're days where people are afraid of the virus. They got the fear of the virus. It's in them. That fear. Wow, look at that game.